Managing work orders should be precise, efficient, and automated. With Clue, you get a fully integrated system that automates task creation, assigns mechanics in real time, and tracks every detail through its life cycle. Let's show you how it works.
1. Rapid work order creation. Create work orders in seconds from fault codes, inspections, or alerts, automating the setup so you can get straight to work. 2. Dynamic forms. Fields adjust automatically based on the task, cutting down on data entry and mistakes. 3. OEM telematics and API depth. With direct API integrations, fault codes are pulled seamlessly from systems like CatVision Link, JDL Link, and ComTrax. No third-party apps needed. 4. Mobile updates in offline mode. Field crews can close work orders from anywhere, even offline. Syncs when back online. 5. User role permissions. Granular permissions ensure mechanics, supervisors, and finance only see what they need. 6. Map view and task watch. Tasks are clustered by location and urgency for easy prioritization. Live updates keep everything on track. 7. Preventive maintenance triggers. Set custom thresholds based on engine hours, mileage, or time intervals to automatically trigger preventive maintenance. 8. Bulk template work orders. Bulk generate work orders for recurring tasks, saving time and streamlining workflows. 9. Parts and inventory sync. Live inventory levels and reorder alerts keep parts in stock and your operations running smoothly. 10th, analytics and dashboards. Clue offers real-time insights into maintenance operations, allowing you to track work order status, maintenance history, and associated costs. 11th, cost control and ROI proof. Track labor, parts, and service costs in real time, with customers reporting an 18% reduction in downtime. Clue safeguards your operations with SOC 2 compliant infrastructure and a tamper-proof audit trail,
keeping your data secure and your team compliant with DOT, OSHA, and ISO standards.
Book a 15-minute live demo today and see how you can save 18%.